Welcome to 20 Car. What if the roar of a jet engine could be tamed into an exquisite sculpture? The 2025 Ford GT concept feels like a machine built not just to conquer the road but to dominate the imagination. Its design is a study in controlled chaos, fluid lines that channel wind into submission and gaping air intakes that seem ready to inhale the horizon. From its dramatic flying buttresses to the glowing Ford emblem, it's a statement of bold, unapologetic performance. Inside, the cabin is a minimalist command center where luxury meets cutting-edge tech. Carbon fiber bucket seats provide precision support, while a digital cockpit wraps the driver in a seamless stream of data. An 8K curved touchscreen delivers controls with the clarity of a fighter jet's HUD, while AI-powered driving modes tailor every journey to perfection. Underneath its carbon fiber skin lies a ferocious 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine paired with a hybrid assist, pushing 850 horsepower. The GT concept blazes from 0 to 100 kilometers height in just 2.5 seconds. Rivals like the McLaren 765 LT and Lamborghini Revuelto may challenge its speed, but the Ford GT concept radiates a uniquely American defiance. With a price tag of $600,000, this isn't merely a car, it's an artifact of modern engineering. Maintenance and insurance run as high as its top speed, but depreciation seems like a foreign concept for this collector's dream. Behind the wheel, the GT concept feels alive, responding to every command with exhilarating immediacy. Its flaw? A ride so pure it demands an equally daring driver.